Fortunately, these wheels are not too dirty at all. In fact, the car I washed about 2 weeks ago, and I have a suspicion literally the only miles it's done since I washed it was to go home and come back here again a few weeks later. So yeah, they're probably just going to need a wipe round. I will double check, make sure there's no iron fallout or brake dust or anything like that on them, but I did actually use fallout remover when I last cleaned them anyway, so they're pretty good. And of course they're matte wheels as well, so they won't require any polishing at all. To wipe the wheels down with, in here I've just got diluted isopropyl alcohol. It's about 100 ml alcohol to 900 ml water, so it's really light. It's just to get this dust off the wheels basically.